Ouzeria is a Mediterranean restaurant, Mediterranean cuisine or Israeli cuisine if you prefer, and it's located in the Levinsky market of Tel Aviv. The menu is very personal, but it's influenced by all of the Mediterranean Bay, I would say. So we have influence from Spain and Italy and France, and we have influence from Turkey and Lebanon and Israel and Palestine. I work with farmers. I try to get the best vegetables I can get. I love vegetables, and Israel has so many beautiful, wonderful vegetables. So I try to use as many as I can in the menu. So the beet ravioli is not actually a ravioli. It's beet sliced very, very thinly, and it's stuffed with goat cheese mousse. I make with a lot of garlic confit, finished with gremolata. This dish here is an escabeche of gray mullet, and it's made with a salsa that I call Levinsky market salsa, because it has olives from the market. It has pickled lemons and pickled Persian garlic, and it's all mixed with olive oil and fresh lemon juice, a little chili and parsley, and some yogurt on it, and the zest of lemon. Okay, I've also made some calamaris in black bean sauce. This dish is like a combination that I made of some Spanish food, say maybe even South American influence. Israel is all about immigrants, so we get kitchens from all over the world here. We have our fine ingredients that are local. So I'd say the Israeli cuisine is that. It's a combination of all cultures that arrived here after the Second World War, plus what was here before. So the Mediterranean cuisine is really all about freshness. It's the vegetables that are fresh. It's olive oil and garlic and chili, and it does not use a lot of cream and butter. It uses much more olive oil, and the flavors are very light, so there's not a lot of spices to it. There are a lot of herbs, and we use a lot of herbs, so it's a lot more fresh. So it's light and fresh. I call it happy food.